Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good morning, everyone. A very, very good morning to each and everyone. Let me see. Let me just check who all are present. Let me just see. Just a second. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Just give me a thumbs up in the chat section. Just give me a thumbs up in the chat section. If if the audio is clear, if the video is clear, just give me a thumbs up in the chat section. Good morning, Bijoy. Good morning. How are you? How are you guys? All right, all right. Great. Just give me a thumbs up if the audio and the video is clear. Just give me a thumbs up in the chat section. Okay, 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 Artri. Yes, yes. Great, great. Audio and video is clear, guys. Shall we start? Audio and video is clear. Shall we start our lecture? Yes, let us start our lecture. Good morning, Ilakya. Good morning. Alright. I welcome you all to Unacademy, India's largest education platform. This is Let's Crack NEET UG English platform. Alright. Yes, let me introduce myself. I am Nitesh Devnani. I have 5 plus years of teaching experience in chemistry and I have taught over 2000 plus students. I have taught over 2000 plus students who have got some great marks in your NEET examination. All right, so if you'll work with me, if you'll work hard with me, you will also get very good marks in your NEET examination, especially in chemistry. All right. Yes, so let me tell you about the subscription plan. What all benefits you'll be getting if you buy the subscription plan. All right, first of all, you need to download. First of all, you need to download an Academy learning app. All right, first of all, just download this Unacademy learning app. Yes, there are two types of subscription: plus subscription as well as your iconic subscription. In the plus subscription, you'll have daily live classes, you'll have live tests and quizzes, there are structured courses, as well as you'll be given unlimited access. There will be unlimited access. All right. Yes, but now there is another type of subscription, which is an iconic subscription. All right, you'll be getting all the benefits of plus. The important point is you'll be getting all the benefits of plus subscription, as well as you'll be given a personal coach. You'll have your test analysis also, and a study planner would also be given to you. All right, many students need a special guidance from a mentor or an expert. All right, so all these are available in your iconic subscription. All right, so if you buy it, that would be very beneficial. Yes, in the plus subscription, you'll have India's best educators, interactive live classes, you'll have structured courses and PDF, as well as your live test and quizzes. In the iconic subscription, you'll have all these things, as well as you'll be given a personal coach. You'll have a study planner also, experts guidelines also, as well as your test analysis. All these would also be given in your iconic subscription. Okay, all right, so there are free live classes also. You just need to download the Unacademy learning app in order to access those classes. Yes, so these are some of the educators for our NEET platform. Yes, this is the pricing. Let me tell you about the pricing. Whenever you buy, whenever you plan to purchase the Unacademy subscription plan, just apply the code Nitesh YT. Just apply the code Nitesh YT and you will get 10% off. You will get 10% off. You just need to apply this code Nitesh YT. Alright. Iconic subscription 6-month course will be getting at 34,200 rupees. 12-month course will be getting at 58,500 rupees, and 24-month course will be getting at 90,000 rupees. But you need to apply this code Nitesh YT. Yes. Now again, if you are planning to buy the plus subscription, then again just apply the code Nitesh YT. Nitesh YT. All right. Again, you'll be given 10% off. if you are a dropper, or if you are in 12th standard, I will recommend you to go for 12-month course, which would be at 34,650 rupees. And 24, if you are an 11th standard student, go for 24-month course, which would be at 50,400 rupees. All right. So Nitesh YT is my code. Just apply this code. You'll be benefiting me also, as well as you will also get 10% off. All right. Yes. So see, these are some of the benefits for our plus subscription. Yes. Let us start today's lecture. Today we are going to study hydrocarbons, and this is lecture 4. Hydrocarbons lecture 4. All right. Yes, we are going to start hydrocarbons lecture 4. Yes. All right. Good morning, Shiny. Good morning, Keshav. Good morning, Ilakya. Yes, special class timing, I'll tell you. Yes, yesterday there was some issue. I was not able to take a special class yesterday. I've rescheduled it for Wednesday. I've rescheduled it for Wednesday 5 p.m. Alright. Yes, yesterday I was not able to take your special class. Now it is rescheduled for Wednesday 5 p.m. means tomorrow 5 p.m. Alright. Yes. Alright. Good morning everyone. Let me see who all are present. Just give me a thumbs up in the chat section. Who all are present? Let me just see. Hello Misha. Hello Rahul. Yes. Hello Shiny. Hello. Yes. We were studying chemical properties. Yes. Hello Lakya. Yeah. We were studying chemical properties of alkenes. We were studying chemical properties of alkenes. Chemical properties of alkenes we were studying. Correct? The next property. Yes, Amisha. We are very near the end of this chapter only. All right. Chemical properties of alkenes. Chemical properties of alkenes. Good morning, Supriya. Good morning. Yes. Chemical properties of a alkene. So another chemical property, which is its oxidation. Just pay attention here. We have studied almost all the important chemical properties. A few are left, which I am going to cover today, and we will start our new chapter. The other hydrocarbon alkynes also today. All right. Yes. So you have your oxidation. And you have your oxidation of alkenes. Now see, there are two cases. Here there are two cases. Suppose you have your CH2 double bond CH2. This is your alkene. Now oxidation in presence of dilute KMNO4. Dilute KMNO4. Alright. So a dilute KMNO4 is a means it is a oxidizing agent. What it will do is it will simply add OH and OH here. Alright, it will form diols. Ol is for alcohol, di means for two. Alright, now suppose you have your this thing. Alright, again you are doing, you are passing this on dilute KMNO4. Dilute KMNO4 means it will just add OH on both the sides. Here it is a pi bond, na? This is a pi bond. Your OH is added on both the side in presence of dilute H2SO4. Alright. This was kind of your case 1. Now suppose you have your case 2. Now suppose you have this this thing. Alright. And you are passing it over KMNO4 in presence of some acidic conditions. It's okay. Tree, take care. No issue. You can always watch the recorded lecture. All right. Yes. Take care, guys. Yeah. Suppose, see, this is your alkene and this is a KMNO4 now in presence of H plus. H plus means we are keeping acidic conditions. We are keeping acidic conditions. All right. Now what happens in this case is, just pay attention here. This bond is broken. This bond is broken in between. All right. And what happens is CH3, CH, here OH, here OH on this side of your carbon chain, and as well as on this side also. CH3, CH, OH, OH. Alright, this is formed. Now just pay attention here. Now on one carbon, two OH groups are not stable. On one carbon, two OH groups are not stable. So this, from here your water is removed. And this is converted into CH3, C double bond OH. Alright. Similarly, from here also your water is removed. Alright, and this converts into CH3, C double bond OH. Alright. So now you have to do directly. You have to simply do this directly. How? CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. Just simply break this bond on passing it over KMNO4 acidic conditions. Break this bond, CH3, CH double bond O plus CH3, CH double bond O. These products are formed. Is this thing clear? Guys? Let me give you one more question. All right. Yes. Now see, there is another case in this. Suppose you have your like this compound. Suppose the compound is like this. Yes, means the double bond is in the end. Double bond is at the end. Double bond is at the end. All right, and you are passing again KMNO4 in some acidic conditions. All right. Now see, just pay attention. You'll break this bond. And what will be formed? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is formed. Correct. Plus this portion of carbon is converted into this. This is what? This is formic acid. All right. This is formic acid. Now see, this formic acid is also unstable. It is a kind of an unstable compound. It disintegrates into, it breaks into your CO2 and your water. All right. Or this is like this. Wait. I'll explain you again. This thing again. Just pay attention here. See this. Alright, you need to remember these compounds mainly. If whenever you guys can do directly also. See, this is your compound. Alright, you guys can do directly also. Suppose you pass KMNO4 and H plus also. Just break this bond. Hello Richu, hello. Just break this bond. So what will be formed? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Correct. Plus this terminal thing would be converted into H2O and CO2. All right. Now just pay attention here. Have you done lime water test? Tell me in the chat section. Have you done lime water test? Which gas is passed in your lime water test? Which gas is passed on your lime water test? Yes, CO2 is passed. Many must have done it, few would haven't done it. So this CO2 turns lime water milky. Turns lime water milky. CO2 turns lime water milky. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect, perfect. Yes. Uh, yes, and H2O. H2O. What is the test of H2O? It turns anhydrous CuSO4 copper sulfate blue. All right, anhydrous copper sulfate. Your anhydrous copper sulfate is what? It is white in color. All right, and if you pass water on your anhydrous copper sulfate, so it becomes hydrated copper sulfate, and it is what? Blue in color. So test for water is it turns anhydrous copper sulfate blue in color, and CO2 turns lime water milky. All right, is this thing clear? Give me a thumbs up in the chat section if this thing is clear, guys. All right, if this thing is clear, give me a thumbs up in the chat section. Yes, great, 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 great. Yes, fantastic. So this was all about oxidation, and you need to remember certain things, right? If the process is dilute KMnO4, so you just need to add OH and forms diols. If it is KMnO4 in presence of some acidic condition, then you need to break the double bond. All right. Yes. Another chemical property is ozonolysis. Another chemical property is your ozonolysis. All right, means addition of ozone. All right, we are going to react your alkenes with your ozone. All right, now see what happens is, suppose you have your CH3 CH double bond CH2. All right, and you pass in the first step you pass ozone. In the first step you pass ozone, and in the second step you have your zinc and H2O. In the second step you have your zinc and H2O. All right, in the first step you have your ozone, in the second step you have your zinc and H2O. So now see what happens in the first step. I'll just break down this reaction, and I will explain you. All right, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Your ozone is added on this alkene, and your product formed, your intermediate kind of thing formed as like this. This is being formed. What is this? This is ozonide. This is known as ozonide. All right, this is known as ozonide. Now in the second step, you have your this ozonide. You have your this ozonide, correct? You are on the second step, you are passing zinc and H2O. Zinc and H2O. All right, now see what happens is bond starts breaking. Bond breaks from this side and from your this side. All right, the bond breaks from both the side. And what is being formed? Product formed is CH3 CH double bond O plus CH2 double bond O. All right, or you can write it as like this also. All right, I'll explain you. There is a very simple trick for this. Now see, now just pay attention here. I will explain you with the trick. You don't need to every time do this mechanism thing. In ozonolysis, just break this bond. Just add oxygen here. This is your trick. What is your answer? CH3 CH double bond O plus HC double bond O H. Simply break the middle bond and add oxygen oxygen on both the side. Are you getting my point? All right. Is this trick clear? Then I will give you some questions also based on this trick. Is this trick clear? Let me see some questions for you all. Is this trick clear, guys? Yes. Okay. Let me give you one more question. You apply this trick. Directly apply this trick, alright? Ozone in the first step, in the second step, your zinc and H2O. Alright. Yes. Yes, Keshav, you need to remember these reactions. Yes, I know there are a lot of reactions, but you need to remember those. As you will practice, you will be very comfortable with it. Yes. Now, just tell me what should be the answer for this. Tell me what should be the answer for this. Simply use that trick, alright? Okay, okay. Guys, please be active on the chat section and also like this video if you are able to understand everything. Yes. Alright, this is pretty easy again. Just break this bond from here. Just add oxygen, just add oxygen. Alright, what would be your answer? CH3, C, CH3, double bond O. Correct? Correct. And if we'll start naming, writing from here, this will be CH3, C, double bond O, H. Correct? Correct? These were your products. Give me a thumbs up in the chat section if you guys were correct. Give me a thumbs up in the chat section if you guys were correct. Yes. One more question. One more question is CS3 C CS3 double bond C. Yes. Yes. This is your question. Come on. What should be the answer? All the double bonds would be broken. Alright? All the double bonds would be broken. All the double bonds would be broken. Just break both your bonds. Alright? You don't need to think that which bond we need to break. Just simply break all the bonds. Simply break all the bonds. Alright? Give me your answer in the chat section. Give me your answer in the chat section, guys. Everyone just break all the bonds. All the bonds. See, I will explain you this. Just break this bond. Alright, and write oxygen here, oxygen here. Just break this bond and write oxygen here, oxygen here. Alright, now see. Now just start writing from here. CH3, C, CH3, double bond O. Correct? Correct? This is correct. Alright. Now see. Now just look at this middle portion. Now just look at this middle portion. You have your CH3 single bond C. Now this carbon has an oxygen here, na? See? Yes, double bond O, CH double bond O. Alright, is this thing clear? Plus your this thing is simply you have only one double bond O, so H C double bond O H. Is this thing clear? Tell me in the chat section. Is this particular question clear? Is this particular question clear to all of you? Yes? Alright. Great. Very good. Very good. Yes. Fantastic. Great. Alright. Yes. Okay, one more question. Attempt this question. No, we cannot determine this which is major or which is minor. Like we will be only given what all products can be which can be formed. All right. Yes, benzene type issue, benzene type na. Yes, I will just explain you. Yes, just do this. Come on everyone, try this. This is also pretty easy. Just this one, oxygen. Similarly, just break this bond, oxygen. Now see, what should be our answer? CH3 CH CH3 CH double bond O. Correct? This oxygen. Correct? Now just look at this middle part. This oxygen is having double bond O on the left side, double bond O on the right side. So what is your product? Yes, CO2 is your product. What is your product? CO2 is your product. Perfect. All right. And your this thing is simply your CH3 C double bond OH. Correct? Is this thing clear? Just remember this CO2 is formed whenever a carbon is having a double bond on either sides, and if you will do ozonolysis, your CO2 would be formed. Correct? All right. Is this thing clear? All right. Yes. Fantastic. Now see, there are ozonolysis on your benzene type structures also. Suppose you have your this as your benzene only. Let us take example of benzene only. All right. And if you, this is your ozonolysis process on your benzene. Now what will happen? Process is same. Process is pretty much same. You just need to be a bit careful now. See, okay, just try this. You guys first try this. Then I will tell you the answer. Yes, you guys first try this, then I will tell you the answer. Just simply, there are double bonds now. You just need to simply break it. You just need to simply break those double bonds. Yes. See, simply break these double bonds. This is your double bond. Break it. Oxygen, oxygen. This is your double bond. Oxygen, oxygen. This is your double bond. Oxygen, oxygen. All right. Now simply start writing from here. Suppose you start writing from here. All right. What will be the product? CH double bond O. Now there is a single bond between this carbon and this carbon. So CH double bond O. Correct? Correct? You have written this thing. These two things you have written. Now start writing from here. Here and here. What should be your answer? CH. You have your this oxygen na? Double bond O. CH double bond O. Alright. Similarly, just start writing from here and here. So you have your CH double bond O, CH double bond O. Yes, in this case all the products are same. In this case all the products are same. But if there is a different structure than your benzene, then you'll have different answers. Yes. Alright. Hello Sajjan, hello. Alright, is this thing clear? Now you guys can do ozonolysis of benzene like structures. Is it clear, guys? Alright. Yes, yes, yes. Alright. So this was all about ozonolysis. So ozonolysis, just there is a simple trick. You apply that trick and you'll get your answers. Alright. Now another last your chemical property. Last chemical property is your just polymerization. This is just polymerization. Alright. What happens is a monomer is converted into polymer. A monomer is converted into a polymer. You understand monomer? Monomer means a single unit. Monomer means a single unit. Polymer means when monomers attach to form a very big chain of polymers. Suppose you have your ethene. Alright, and there are n molecules of ethene. Alright, there are n molecules of ethene, and on this ethene you apply high temperature and high pressure. You apply high temperature and high pressure on this ethene. So what happens is this ethene is converted into this. This means this is what? Polythene. Alright, what happens is a lot of molecules of ethene, alright, would combine and form a big long chain of what? Polythene. Alright, this is simply what? Your polythene. Okay, is this thing clear? This is we are not going into the mechanism of it, but just a reaction which we needed to cover here. Okay, so yes, we have covered our alkenes. Alright, alkenes was a big topic and a very important topic. Alright, alkenes is a very important topic. Alright, classes are started on that Sajjan. Already we are doing their classes. Yes. Alright, so this was alkene. This was alkene. Alright, so this was all about alkenes. Now our another hydrocarbon is what? Alkynes. Another hydrocarbon is what? Alkynes. Another hydrocarbon is what? Alkynes. Another hydrocarbon is alkynes. Alright, alkynes means your triple bond. your triple bond. All right, triple bond. Now this is CH double bond CH. Sajjan, please, we will very soon start it. Let us focus on the topic which we are currently doing it. All right. Yes. This is your alkene. All right. This is your ethine. This is your ethine. All right. And similarly, like your propine, your butane, and everything structures. All right. Tell me hybridization of this carbon. Tell me hybridization of this carbon. Tell me what is the hybridization of this carbon. Hybridization is sp. Yes, hybridization is sp. I've explained it multiple times. If you have a triple bond, it is sp. If you have a triple bond, it is what? Sp. All right. Naming, we have already covered naming of alkyne. Suppose you have your this thing. Yes. Suppose you have your this thing. How would you name it? How would you name it? How would you name it? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. But, and at one position you have your triple bond. One ine. But, one ine. Correct? Correct? You can easily name your alkynes. You can easily name those your alkynes. All right. Another topic is your isomerism. Another topic is your isomerism. Suppose you have your this compound, and your suppose you have your this compound. What type of isomers are these? What type of isomers are these? What type of isomers are these? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So hex, it is at 2 position you have your triple bond. 2 ine, and it is at 3 position you have your triple bond. So hex, 3 ine. So your position of triple bond is changing. So position isomers. Position isomers. These are what? Position isomers. All right. All right. Another type of isomerism which they can show is yeah, like this. Like this. If this is your compound, suppose this is your, all right, this is your one compound. Another compound is this is your compound. What type of isomers are these? What type of isomers are these? What type of isomers are these? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So yes, these are what? Chain isomers. Why? Because your main chain is different in both. Main chain is different in both. All right. One is of 6 number chain, other is of 5 number chain. So main chain is different. So these are what? Chain isomers. Correct. Correct. Very good. Very good. All right. Do you guys have any doubt up till now? Do you guys have any doubt up till now? If you guys have any doubt, you can surely ask me. If you guys have any doubt, you can surely ask me. No doubt. All right, shall we move forward? Yes. Shall we move forward? Yes. Great. Okay, Rahul. Okay, Shiny. Great, great, great. Now we are studying your preparation of alkynes. Your preparation of alkynes. Your preparation of alkynes. All right. Isomerism, we have completed isomerism. I've taught you your structural isomerism. Optical isomerism we will be taking in future classes. Ilakya, we'll be taking optical isomerism in our future classes. Otherwise, I've explained you structural, I've explained you geometrical also. All right. Yes, yes. Now, preparation of your alkynes. So, first is your from carbides. From carbides. Preparation of alkynes from carbides. All right. Yes, yes, definitely. From your carbides. Carbides means your carbon. The metals are have your bonds with your carbons. First preparation is your from calcium carbide. Suppose you have your CaC2. This is what? Calcium carbide. This is what? Calcium carbide. On hydrolysis, see, whenever you have your these carbides, this in this case it is what? Calcium carbide, and you are reacting it with what? Water means your hydrolysis reaction. This reaction is what? Hydrolysis. So what is formed in this case is your C2H2. What is formed? Ethine is formed. Ethine, or common name of ethine is what? Acetylene. Acetylene is formed, plus your calcium is converted into its hydroxide. So see, ethine is formed na. We are studying what? Preparation of alkynes. So your alkyne is being prepared. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Alright. Another type of reaction from your carbides is Mg2C3. Mg2C3. Alright. Plus H2O. Again H2O. Now this is what? This is magnesium carbide. This is magnesium carbide. On its hydrolysis, it forms propine. It forms propine, plus magnesium is converted into its hydroxide. Alright. These two reactions are important in your carbide, in a preparation of alkynes from your carbides. Alright. Alright, these two reactions are important. From your calcium carbide, your ethine or acetylene is formed, your magnesium carbide, propine is formed. Give me a thumbs up if these two reactions are clear. Okay. Yes, next type of preparation I'm going to tell you. Next type of preparation I'm going to tell you. Great. Yes. Next type of preparation which I'm going to tell you is from vicinal dihalides. Now I need your help in this reaction. I need your help because a few part of this reaction I have already covered. Few part of this reaction is already covered. Alright. Okay, just pay here. CS3, CH. Your suppose it is Cl, CH, and suppose it is your Cl. Here also H. We are passing alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH over it. I need your help in this reaction. What happens with alcoholic KOH? What happens with alcoholic KOH? Tell me. What happens with alcoholic KOH? What happens with alcoholic KOH? Yes, elimination. Elimination means which, what particular, exactly what was the term? What was the term? What was the term, guys? Dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means one hydrogen would be removed and another halogen would be removed. Alright. Now just pay attention here. And it was what? Beta elimination. Correct? It was what? Beta elimination. Beta elimination means your the atoms which you are removing are from adjacent atoms. All right. Now see, this is your chlorine is removed. Suppose this your chlorine is removed. So hydrogen would be removed is this one, na? Beta elimination to adjacent atoms. Now see what is being formed. CS3 CCl double bond CH2. Correct. This is formed, or just write it as just expand it. All right, just expand it. Yes. All right, this is formed. Now what happens is you need to form what? Alkynes. You need to form alkynes. All right, now you pass this over NaNH2. This is a stronger base. What does this do? This also do dehydrohalogenation. All right, now what will happen? This chlorine will go and this hydrogen would go. What is formed? Just pay attention here, I'll explain you again. This is being formed. Your alkyne is being formed. All right, now see, if I'm just writing it down, if we want to do dehydrohalogenation, twice, if we want to do dehydrohalogenation twice, we need NaNH2. All right, alcoholic KOH cannot do dehydrohalogenation twice. All right, alcoholic KOH can do dehydrohalogenation only once, but if you need to form alkynes, you need to do 2 times dehydrohalogenation. For that you need what? You need NaNH2. Why? Because it is a stronger base, it is more powerful. All right, suppose you have your this compound, all right, and you pass it over alcoholic KOH. You guys tell me your answers. Answer of this. All right, and suppose the same compound is being passed over NaNH2. What should be the answer for both? Tell me. What should be the answer for both? What should be the answer for both? What should be the answer for both? Alcoholic KOH means it will do dehydrohalogenation only once. This is only once, and this would occur. NaNH2 would do twice. Dehydrohalogenation. So see, you can remove either of these. This and this is removed. So your product form would be CS3 CCl double bond CH2. All right. Yes. And for this NaNH2, twice dehydrohalogenation would occur. Your product would be CS3 C triple bond CH. Your alkyne is formed. All right, why? Because NaNH2 is what? Stronger base. All right, is this thing clear? Give me a thumbs up in the chat section if this thing is clear. Give me a thumbs up in the chat section if this thing is clear. All right. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. All right, all right, all right, all right. Yes. So, are you guys practicing questions of hydrocarbons? Are you guys practicing questions of hydrocarbons? Are you guys practicing questions of hydrocarbons? Yes? Yes, yes. Are you all able to solve questions now? Are you all able to solve questions now? I'm going slowly with you all because I need you to have a good command in your organic chemistry. That's why I'm going a bit slow with you all. Yes. Yes, you are able to solve? Yes, yes. Very good, Supriya. Very good, Rahul, Keshav, Shiny. Very good, very good. Yes, because see, organic chemistry is a mixture of things. There are a lot of things in organic chemistry. So many concepts, many other chapter concepts are also needed here. Alright, that's why I need to cover each and everything, and we are going in a slow pace so that you are able to understand each and everything. Alright, yes. Hydrocarbons up till now, is everything clear to all of you? Hydrocarbons up till now, is everything clear to all of you? Just tell me in the chat section. Just tell me in the chat section. Yes? Yes, yes, yes. Alright. Great, great, great. Yes. So now we need to study chemical properties of your alkynes. Alright, we need to study chemical properties of alkynes. So you just practice some of the questions of your alkenes and your preparation of alkynes, and in the next class we will cover chemical properties. We will cover chemical properties. Iso and neoalkenes. See, this is iso. Basically, this is iso. CH3, CH, CH3. This is your iso group. Alright, okay, let me tell you this. Alright, this L-shaped group is your iso group. This L-shaped group in the end is your iso group. Alright, suppose you have your this thing. Again, see, this L-shaped is being formed in the end. In the end, this means it is what? Iso. Alright, alright. Neo is what? Neo is like this. Your last carbon is having 4 degree. Your last carbon is having 4 degree. This is your neo. This is your iso. This L-shaped is your iso in the end. In the end we are talking. And this thing, if this type of structure is formed, this is what? Neo. Alright, alright, Rahul. Alright. Okay. Yes. Great, 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 great. So I will meet you in the next class. Alright, I will meet you in the next class. We will study chemical properties. We will study chemical properties of alkynes. Alright. Guys, like this video if you haven't liked it yet. Alright. Alright. So whenever you are planning to buy the subscription plan, you need to know. No, it's not about stability. Rahul, it's not about stability. It is just a common naming. You need to know, you just need to apply the code Nitesh YT. Just apply the code Nitesh YT and you will be given 10% off. Alright, just apply this code Nitesh YT whenever you are planning to buy the subscription plan. Alright, great, great. I will see you tomorrow 9:30 a.m. All right. Bye bye guys. Take care. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Have a great day and practice questions. All right. Have a great day and practice some questions. Okay. See you. See you tomorrow. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.